how to get high scores, and then tips you need to know in the game Block Blast. So to start, we'll have to open the game. So in here, the first tip that I could suggest is line clearance. Whenever you play the game, don't get distracted with colors and then just make sure you cover every line with the pieces or the blocks that you put on the board. Second tip, make plans for your combination. Always make sure that whenever you place a block, it creates a design and then cover a line and then clears a lane. And then my third tip, make use of power-ups. Whenever you get a power-up, it always or mostly clear up the lanes on the board. And then my fourth tip, always leave a space for larger blocks. Avoid filling the board too soon with little pieces and make sure you always leave a room or space for larger blocks. And then my fifth tip is clearing the lines at the center. So clearing the lines at the center provides you more space, but however, make sure that you don't overlook the edges. And then my sixth tip, think several moves ahead and create a strategy. Always visualize the blocks that you get in every set. And then my seventh tip, stay calm as the board fills up and then visualize the blocks to keep you from running out of space. And then lastly, always remember that Block Blast is a game of patience and then make sure to enjoy the game. So those are the tips that you need to know in order for you to get insane high scores on the game Block Blast. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.